Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and edit sticky notes in Miro in 2025. Sticky notes are one of the most useful features for brainstorming, planning, and organizing ideas on your board. Step 1. Open your Miro board. On the left toolbar, click the sticky note icon. Step 2. Choose a color for your sticky note and then click anywhere on the board to place it. Step 3. Type your text directly inside the sticky note for quick ideas or tasks. Step 4. To edit your sticky note, just double-click on it. You can change the text, resize the note, or drag it to another location. Step 5. Use the top toolbar to change the font size, alignment, or text color inside the sticky note. Step 6. You can also copy and paste sticky notes, duplicate them, or group them together for better organization. Step 7. If you want to delete a sticky note, select it and press delete on your keyboard to remove it instantly. And that is it. That's how you add and edit sticky notes in Miro in 2025. This simple tool helps you capture and organize ideas quickly during meetings or brainstorming sessions.